Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about where you can actually source your products. So if you're an individual that is starting off your business as a dropshipper, then this is definitely the video that you should watch till the end, because we're going to talk about the reliable and proper way to find the right suppliers for your business. And one of the major competitive advantages that you could get to scale your business and make it different from all the other dropshippers in the industries is to get your suppliers, to get your products, to get your items from reliable suppliers. And that is the reason why we've gone into great detail and done our research to ensure that we can find the right suppliers and the right platforms to find those suppliers for you. The first platform is inventorysource.com, the dropship automation software and integrated supplier network that automatically uploads products, syncs inventories, and routes orders with the dropshipper suppliers to your online store or market platform. You can find the right dropshipper supplier in the free dropship supplier directory of 230 plus pre-integrated suppliers, and their dropshipper supplier directly includes the top distributors from leading dropship niche offering exclusive brands, large catalogs, and high demand products. Once you've gone through it, you can see all these individuals that exist in the industry. The second step is that you choose your dropship software, and choosing the dropship software is right for you to automate the inventory source supply data. And obviously it's very simple and straightforward to start, because starting at $99 per month, the inventory source gives the dropship automation software for startups. This is the professional methodology. This is a strategy that is based on an organized methodology for individuals, enterprises, organizations that take their dropshipping business seriously. You can also go for the FlexPoint dropship and market solution for enterprise retail brands as well, and you can start selling and automatically upload the products and sync the inventories and route the orders with the dropship suppliers to your online store or market platform. It could be on Amazon, on Shopify, on BigCommerce. It could be on WooCommerce as well, or gunbroker.com or Walmart. It is available with integrations on every single platform. And the beauty of it, you can start completely free. But before we do that, I want to show you the directly suppliers directory that's available. And obviously the dropship supplier directory that's available, you can clearly see that you can get the free directory of dropshippers and US wholesale distributors with 4,000 wholesales and distributors with 240 plus pre-integrated advanced searching through millions of products that are available. And with the supplier quality that horse suppliers are going to get, you will always be knowing and be able to get the right product. They also give only free wholesale and dropshipper directory that allows you to view full product data at no cost. That way you can make the most informed decision for your business by analyzing the product feed for characteristics such as image quality, guys. And obviously with the wholesale dropship supplier directory, which includes the comprehensive collection of supplier information such as the dropshipper supplier fees, the policies, resellers, and contact information all in one place. And there's no more searching through website that you would need to do. Now the good thing about this is the fact that they have the pricing that is available, which makes it quite unique, guys, because you can go for the directory account, which is completely free, where you can get all the information about the dropshipper suppliers, premium product feeds, access supplier contact information, learn how to become a reseller, and search suppliers by advanced filters. For the inventory automation, which starts at $99, and a full automation, which starts at $199. So you can clearly start completely free. Then as your business grows, you can go for the inventory automation, and in the end go to the full automation. The second website that we're going to talk about is called doba.com. Now this is a very interesting place because you can actually find a lot of information and the right products that you want to sell. It's quite similar to alibaba.com, where it takes out the middleman and you can go directly to the suppliers. They got premium suppliers that are available, and I always mention individuals to select suppliers that can get you the products in the right moment in time. If you look at the 3P experts over here, you can clearly see this is based in the US, and you can easily get the element within 2 business days. And if you scroll down, these are all the products that are available that you can easily start getting and putting on your dropshipping stores and selling them. Now, if you want to get things from China, the biggest problem from China China is two. The first one is the quality of the product that you're going to get. You will never know. Maybe something is not up to the quality that you want to put on your store. The second is the time period that it takes to get the product from China. If you can get the product that is based in the US warehouse, you will always know that you are in a safe hand. And that is the reason why I always mention individuals to ensure that they can actually get the right product and sell the right product and easily be able to develop the elements that are available. Now, if you look at the pricing over here, which is quite interesting as compared to inventory, you can start it completely free and then you can go to the business, which is ideal for growing business who run multiple stores and want to add more automation. The annual one is $39.99, the quarterly one is $42.49, and the monthly one is $49.99. You can also go for the enterprise, which is ideal for advanced businesses who want all the features and more customization, which is for $249.99, and the monthly is $299.99. So for $300 for up to 6 months minimum, you get monthly product export counts as well, which is completely free for you, unlimited that are available. You get new product alerts, you get chats that are available, and there's so many things that really makes it stand out. And that's the reason why you gotta make sure that you check out Doba before you get into the industry. The third website which I want to talk about is called CWR Wholesale Distribution. Now, if you're conducting business, it should be simple. As the leader in marine industry, CWR offers stress-free drop shipping worldwide with no extra fee or minimum order sizes, and they offer a wide range of products from over 300 manufacturers, ranging from the basic every boat need to sporting goods and consumer electronics. Now, the thing over here that you need to keep in mind, guys, is that if you go for a very wide, diversified wholesaler, the problem with that is the quality of the product that you're gonna get. Now, I always mention to individuals that want to get into the industry and they're picking a particular niche that they want to focus on, to select suppliers, select manufacturers, select dropshipping individuals that can get you the right quality product, because at the end of the day, you're going to be selling that product. You want to ensure that whoever buys that product is going to definitely become a loyal customer to come back to your store and buy it again. And that is why I always recommend individuals to get the CWR wholesale distribution to select the right product they want. They have the same day drop shipping starting from one of the most popular shipping specials, almost any size order for a flat fee of just $9.95. And you get the wide range of providers and service level, helping you meet delivery requirements and minimizing the cost with the top selling products that are available. And even more, their large in-stock inventory, over 18,000 products are in stock, and the ability to leverage a relationship with over 300 manufacturers other distributions don't have. And that is the competitive advantage that you can actually get with CWR wholesale distribution. Now, they also have product offering that is available. If you click on product offering, you can see all the different elements that are available and the different products that are available that you can easily get. Now, there's different elements as well for all product categories, same day shipping that you can get. All you need to do is click on electric, for example, and you'll be able to see all the products that are available for electronics that you can actually get and drop ship as well. So this is the reason, and this is the methodology that you need to follow, and these are the dropshipping organizations that and platforms that you need to check out. Now, if you need any support whatsoever, you can always drop us a message in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your Twitter, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to start your dropshipping business and get the right supplier for your organization to ensure that you always have a competitive advantage and stay ahead of the game. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.